Alright, so we're going to be straightening the front end of this 2022 CRF450R, my bike. Crashed a few weekends ago, triple the jump, ran off the track, hit something I didn't know was there, and yeah, this is what happened. So you can see front end not really pointing where it should be going, so in a little bit of a state. Not only that, and checking out the bike after I cleaned it when I got it home, noticed that the radiator was not looking so good too. So what we're going to be doing is getting the forks front wheel straight, and then as you can see, we've got two new radiators and the works connection radiator braces going on as well. Obviously don't plan on crashing often, but don't plan on buying radiators if I do either. So this is what we're going to be doing. A couple of videos covering this, and for those of you new to the channel, which I hope there's many, I've got a giveaway. So this Fox backpack here, Disciples of Speed backpack, is coming its way. All you got to do is subscribe to the channel. End of October we'll draw. We'll put in the comments who won, and we'll get this backpack shipped out to you as quick as we can. So enjoy. Alright, we'll start by taking off the front brake disc guard. I'm getting access to the pinch bolts both sides. I'm going to use a trick that I saw on Tokyo Off-Road's channel first. So we're going to undo the pinch bolts on the bottom on the axle, move up to the bottom yoke on the forks, release those, just try pumping the suspension a few times, just see if that front wheel and the forks will get themselves back in line. Hoping that works, but we're going to find out by trying that now. And the saddle fit. And what I don't know on this is if the handlebars are bent as well, so we're taking the handlebars off completely once I've got through this, just so that we can get them on a flat surface, check for a bend or a twist in the bars. If there is a bend, you can use set bars on the way for this thing too. Feel it loosening up already. Things starting to move back, so maybe Tokyo Off-Road was bang on with his method to get this fixed quickly. Alright, it's all loose enough. Drop it off the stand and give that a bump up and down on the forks. Alright, let's see where we're at. So as you can see, it's made an improvement. Still not entirely straight, so I'm just going to continue to just snug everything back up. See what we get. It has improved the situation, but not entirely fixed it. So let's snug everything back up and see what we get, and then go from there. Alright, to get access to the top of the triple clamps, the bar mounts need repositioned. The bar mounts are twisted too, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the whole handlebar assembly off from the bar mounts, just to get to the top bolt on the triple clamp, see if I can straighten that up, put that back on. I know the handlebars are going to need checking, but I just want to check how far out we are out with the front end before moving on, so we'll go ahead and do that. Hold on a second. Let's see. So loosen the bars off, loosen the top triple clamp nut off. Didn't see much of an improvement. Loosen top triple clamps off, and we are now looking in much better shape than we were. So I'm going to go ahead, remount the handlebars now, tighten that up except the top triple clamps, and then give it another pump on the front forks, and fingers crossed we'll be all straight again. So let's go ahead and do that. On the basis that you can see right here as I come over the bars, you'll see not straight at all, despite just remounting the bar mounts. So that's telling me that there's something not straight within the bar that's even pulling the bar mounts out of place. Did go down heavy on the right side, so kind of makes sense, but didn't think I went down that hard. So after putting the bars back in and just showing you that how unstraight the bars are, went ahead, loosened bolt triple clamps, pinch bolts again, pumped the suspension a couple more times, and we are back straight. So may take a few cycles of that, depending on how heavy you hit, but certainly a method to get the front of your bike back straight. Cut the grips off, got the bars on the floor here, nice flat surface. You can see equal gap right there. Roll them up onto the rise. Everything's touching, everything's equal. No bend, no twist. I'm gonna go grab another set of bars that are bent, and you can see what the difference is between a pair of good bars and a pair of bent handlebars. Alright, different set of handlebars here. These are from a 2017 YZ250F. Similar kind of front end down situation, low side. You'll see right now look in reasonable condition. Start to roll them up. What we'll see is the gap appear on the left there as the right side goes down. Handlebars completely bent. No good at all running bars like that. That's why it's always important to take them off, check every time you are picking the bike up off the floor. Alright, so handlebars checked out. So we've loosened up the thigh mounts. We're going to remount the handlebars. very sorry looking set of radiator cals right now. So join us in the next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Gotta be a subscriber to be in with a chance of winning that Fox Disciples of Speed backpack. See you next video.